Today is another episode of Business with Technical, and I greet you all. Um, Today we're going to be talking about one business challenge that I think faces every African business doing their business online. Every business online doing their business online, and that challenge happens to be having a landing page, having a converting landing page, which is an essential thing for businesses. But I guess most of us Africans don't really know. We don't really understand the concept of getting a landing page that converts. All right. So what does it mean to have a landing page that converts? Let's just talk about what a landing page is. A landing page is a place where your target audience lands. All right. So it's a place where your target audience gets to, they reach you fastest. It's a place where you can direct them to your airports. It's your business. It's your business home, all right, online, to business home front online. And for you to have a successful business in this age and time, this new era, you need to have a landing page. You must have a place where every lead, every target audience could drop in, and then make it easier for you to convert them lead from from leads to being customers. All right. So what would say what are the importance of converting via a landing page? The landing page conversion makes it easier to have more customers because you'll be able to control the whole funnel, to control the flow, to control the message, to control the getting of the data, the target audience or the leads information, and use that information to reach out to said lead with curated messages that can easily get them converted into being your lovely customers. And this is where many African business fail today, especially those coming online. And all they want to do is just get the customers, but not knowing how to pave the road that leads the customer from point A to point B. Point B being either purchasing or getting more message, knowing more about the product, and having the concept or the idea to purchase. Why the reason behind them buying. So the landing page that converts is really important. And what are the key factors of a landing page that converts? It must have a lead magnet on it. Alright, it must have a lead magnet. It must have access to your several social media accounts whereby they can reach you, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Facebook, your Pinterest, wherever you communicate, you spread information. This must be available to them on your landing page. Um, when I said a lead magnet could be anything that you could offer to them for their email, Instagram, Instagram account details, their phone number, WhatsApp number, a place where you could get direct information, direct link to accessing these target audiences, customers or leads. And it's something that must attract them, something they want. Because when they really want it and they see you're offering it, it's easier for them to give you those details in exchange for what you're offering. Alright. So it's the part of the essential things to have on your landing page. Um, Also, some testimonials of your past deals, alright? Some testimonials of your past deals of what you've done before, of customers you've met with before and related with, and the business how the business went. Alright. That's also important, highly important. You must also have a link to your community, right? Very, very essential, a link to your community. In the new era of digitalization, new era of business, doing business online, it's essential to have a community, to build a community. Alright. In time past, people are always going up and down, going everywhere, look at crannies online, trying to get customers and trying to always get customers, go at it and go at it again. Uh, in business, I've learned so far that in business, you need to build a community of customers, of people that cherish or want what you have, right? People that see the problem you could solve for them and want to stay close to your offering or solving that problem for them. So you must therefore need to build a community of people that understand you or have like minds or share the same problems, share the same challenges, share the same vision and the same goal. very essential in today's day and age, this the new digital era. So having access to your community on the landing page is very essential. It's highly essential. It helps you easily have your leads closer, help you to propagate messages you can pass on to your leads and easily convert them to customers, right? And when they become customers, it's not just all about being customers. You need to learn to retain. All right, retaining is key. All right. The wise man once said, many people believe that the goal of the business is to the goal of the business is to make profits. However, the wise man said the goal of a business is to solve a problem. Okay, create a solution for a problem for some individuals that that have the ability to exchange for the solution of that problem which they have, and then you keep those individuals and continue solving their problem, giving them better experiences. As the common saying in Nigeria, problem no dey end, or challenges don't end. So there's always problems to be solved, and a good business is one that solves this problem with good experience for people and keep those people, retain those people, and have the strategy to keep getting more people with this problem to solve. All right. So that's all for today, and I'll be kicking back and communicating some other time. Thank you for joining in. Thanks for watching. And reach out, join the community, and peace out. Bye.